This is a brief overview of the WISE image service, available from the IRSA homepage by clicking on WISE and then WISE image service. By default, you're dropped into a position search. You can type in a name and have Ned or Sinbad resolve it. It echoes below the box what it thinks you've typed. By default, the search type is that image contains target. The image size by default is 600 arcseconds. By default, it says that it will return all of the images containing the target as opposed to just the most centered image containing the target. There are several different image sets you can pick from. There's another video that goes through and describes what all of these image sets are. I'm going to ask for all WISE and all sky. You can also ask it to return atlas images and single exposures. For this, I'm just going to ask for atlas images. I'm going to ask it for all 4 WISE bands. Search. It's come back with 2 different image sets. You can see that each image set consists of 4 bands because there are 4 WISE bands. The darker yellow corresponds to this highlighted image, and the other 3 images that belong to this image set are shown all at once. So if I click another image from this image set, that one is the one that's highlighted. If I click an image from another image set, then it loads all 4 of the images from that image set over here and highlights the one that I've selected. If you want to see how these images fit on the sky, you can go to the coverage image. In this particular case, because the tiles corresponding to these patches of sky are all kind of the same, this coverage image is pretty boring because they're all sort of on top of each other here. Going back to the Data tab, you can interact with these images using this image toolbar. There are other videos that go through all of that functionality separately, and there's another video that goes through all the functionality with the tables as well. To download data, you can click on all of the images at once or individual images. Then click on Prepare Download. You can download all 4 bands and a variety of ancillary files. When it talks about structured or flattened file structure, what it means is, do you want individual data files in subdirectories corresponding to image sets, or do you want it without subdirectories? This is asking you what file name that you want and whether you want it saved to your local disk or the IRSA workspace. After you click Prepare Download, it spins it off to the background monitor. If you're zipping and downloading a lot of data, it may be worthwhile putting in an email address so that it can notify you when it's ready. On the other extreme, if you're downloading even just a little bit of data, it may happen so fast that you might not even know that it's done it. Your browser is configured to save files in a particular location. You may need to check your downloads folder to find the download. Another thing that I wanted to highlight is this button right here. This button creates a 3-color image. By default, it picks band 4 for red, band 2 for green, and band 1 for blue. Show 3-color adds 3-color image. Another nice functionality is the ability to search for catalogs. If you go over here and then click on catalogs, by default it comes up with the IRSA catalogs, and the WISE catalog is the first choice by default. There's lots of other choices, and other videos go through all of these options. There's lots of other tabs to add as well with additional kinds of searches. Just to show you how it works, if I put in M101 and 100 arcseconds search, it goes and finds the catalog and puts it in the results tab and overlays the catalog on the image. And it's all interactive. So you can click on the source in the image, it's highlighted in the catalog. Click on the source in the catalog, it's highlighted in the image. You can make a plot from the catalog as well. By default, it's RA and DEC, but you can change what's plotted. Other videos go through that as well. Also, don't forget there's online help and there's context-sensitive help as well too that can give you help specific to whatever you're looking at the time that you click on the question mark in a circle.